Hello guys, Lorraine here again from makemoneyonline-niches.com, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I review digital information products and softwares. And today I have a product called the 7-Figure Affiliate Marketing System. And this product is brought to you by Michael Cheney. Now, Michael Cheney is an affiliate marketer with over 20 years of experience in this industry. And so he knows what he's talking about. And he's put together this training for new beginners and people who have maybe just started out in affiliate marketing, so that you can get your hands on the information that you need to know to make your business grow and scale. So I do have access to the JV back office, and so we can have a look at what is it all about. And I have a bonus page with some bonuses, and we can have a look at that as well. So when does it launch? It launches today. It's the 8th of March and it launches at 9 a.m. EST. And then it's available for this launch price, this low ticket price of $9.95, which is in dollars. And it's available until the 14th of March at this low ticket price. So what I want to do first is take a look at my bonus page and explain a bit more about this 7-figure affiliate system. So here we are on my bonus page, and we can take a more look at this 7-figure affiliate system and what it's all about. It's basically a method that you are going to get your hands on. It's a video training that you can use for starting, growing and scaling a 7-figure affiliate business without spending a dime on traffic, and with sales that will start in as little as 7 days. And this is what it's all about. Basically, it's an approach to creating and running and scaling this online business that allows you to passively make up to $2,000 or more a day without hiring any staff or dealing with customer support or paying for traffic or any of the traditional BS that most business owners have to deal with. And I don't know about you, but I have had a traditional business, and I can tell you that there is a lot of BS. And so basically this program is a money making machine that's going to help you and work for you 24/7, where your only job is to oversee the system and make sure that it's working, not having to find new customers or use expensive, unpredictable paid advertising that eats up all your margin. And as a result, it frees you up to live and enjoy your life while the system works for you. And that is what a 7-figure affiliate system is all about, basically. How much does it cost? Well, in this launch period, these training videos are available to you on the front end for $9.95. And there is some upsells, we'll come to them. So basically, it's the little guy overcoming the odds. And there is various modules in the training. So you've got riches in the niches, you've got where the money is and how to get it, the golden thread, secret sales triggers, win the sale by adding value, produce the perfect promotion, turn on the traffic, and then module 8 is secrets of a 7-figure super affiliate. And then you've got the 7-figure launch bonuses, which is Rapid Affiliate Quick Start Guide, the Affiliate Profit Matrix, the free breakthrough orientation sessions, the Affiliate Millionaire Mindset, the Ultimate Accountability System, and 7-day Affiliate Fast Start, and 7-figure Affiliate Community Access. So these are the prices and the upsells on this particular funnel. You've got an order bump at the beginning, which is going to give you an extra on a 500,000 campaign, which is $17. Now, upsell 1 is 10 automatic money makers, and that's $197. And you can read through my bonus page. This page will be the first link in the description box below this video. So you can read through and find out more about everything that's offered in these upsells, but automatic money makers is $197. Then you've got the offer 2, which is ultimate traffic machine at $97, and that's passive driven profits case study, how he made thousands outside of internet marketing using a secret free traffic source and not even in his own name. So this is another training product. And then you've got offer number 3, explode your income as a reseller. And this one is a shortcut to direct the money, because everyone who grabs this upsell unlocks a license to resell this particular product, 7-figure affiliate system. So those are the upsells for this particular product. And if you click through to my bonus page, you can look at this video, which is from Michael himself, which will tell you more about what the 7-figure affiliate system is all about. Now let's get on to my bonuses that you can grab if you decide to pick up this information product with my link. Unlock high ticket mastery. Now this will complement everything that you're learning within 7-figure affiliate mastery. My second bonus is the content curation hack. Now if you don't like typing out lots of content to post on social media and things, this is a little tip on how to make content quicker. Now, bonus number 3 is building your first website in 3 easy steps. And bonus number 4 is reach people's inboxes using stealth. Now, this is another training by a mentor of mine, and it helps you to get inside of the inboxes of people who don't even know who you are. And this is why it's called stealthed. You would still pick up all the vendor bonuses. I've just described them above. And there's a special invite for everyone, and that is a free web class, which then you can find out more about how you can start an affiliate marketing business on a low budget and using YouTube. So that's my free web class invitation. And that is my bonus page for 7-figure affiliate marketing, and it goes live today, and it is offered through Warrior Plus. And so the blue button on the bottom of your receipt page is where you would pick up my bonuses. And let's now take a look at the sales page for 7-figure affiliate system. So this is the sales page for 7-figure affiliate system, and basically it's this new course that's going to show you everything you need to know to get started in the beginning. And like I say, $9.95. And so obviously these are the fast action bonuses, as you can see here on the side, included with your order. Then there's all of these bonuses that you can pick up. You can take a look at this sales page when it goes live today, which is, I don't know, I think it's about 4 hours or 3 hours time, 9 a.m. AST. So let's take a look at the inside of the 7-figure affiliate system. So basically here it is. We've got module 1, the riches are in the niches, and this is where Michael is going to explain to you how you do your research and what you need to know. It's like when you're starting out, you might think, well, oh, I haven't a clue, I don't know, like what niche shall I go into, and you know, which is the biggest. I mean, you've got a few. There's the make money online, there's the health, there's relationships, and those are just 3 areas, but those are huge, massive niches, and in each of those you can actually drill down and get further into which area you want to be in. It's like if you would think make money online, you might want to say, oh right, okay, it's make money online, but I am going to actually niche down into just promoting software products. See? So that's riches are in the niches. Where the money is and how to get it. Everybody needs to know where the blinking money is and how to get it. And that's module 2. The golden thread. Again, another great video by Michael, who explains all about basically joining it all together. Module 4, secret sales triggers. Obviously, in order to convert leads, it needs to have some way of converting leads, and this is what he's explaining here. And then win the sale by adding value. Produce the perfect promotion. Again, another great video by Michael. And turning on the traffic. This is where he's going to explain how you find the traffic to get to your promotions and offers. And then the last one is the secrets of the 7-figure super affiliate. And so then there's access to all of the bonuses, and this is at the front end. So here they are here, all of the bonuses listed that on the sales page. So that is inside of 7-figure affiliate system, and it is a steal at $9.95. And if you were looking to move faster on an affiliate marketing business in this era of everything that we've experienced in the last couple of years, then I would recommend that you look at the upsells as well, so that you can actually move quicker in building your own affiliate marketing business. And that's all I have on this particular product today. And I will see you on the next video. And bye for now.